Today we are going to be doing
Today we are going to be doing the how many wings could you eat in 5 minutes challenge. Now listen y'all, we don't know if this is already somebody's challenge. Just came with it off the top of my dome. You know, it is what it is. So
we have chicken, fries,
yes,
barbecue sauce, ranch,
fries as well. Ranch,
I said that.
honey.
Yes, I'm going to put that on my stuff. Oh, and for our drinks we have
Water. Sorry, y'all. So, we are about to get into it now. Just so color, I just got this chicken literally out of the oven. I cooked it in a deep fryer, tried to keep it hot, so I put it in the oven. So, you cannot, don't touch this because it's hot. And we're going to start in 2 minutes. So, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. One down. Oh, it's not. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Ooh, the shit got good. Fresh and hot. How y'all day been going? Hopefully good.
mine went better.
It's good.
That's the
Same here. This is a challenge.
last one.
That's two on the third one. See if I can get some honey out of here. 4 minutes left. Okay. Whew. That's 3. Whew. That's the 12. Too hot. I'll jump to it more. Four. I'm gonna get color from her barbecue sauce. I just smoke coming up that chicken. Woo.
This is the show I was telling you about.
We got a new movie. 1 minute left.
Oh no, no, it's Vito, baby.
Baby, you got it, you look like a goddess. You got me mesmerized just by your body. Girl, spread your wings and take off like a rocket. Girl, this your world, I can't do nothing about it. Find me another one like you, I doubt. All the hoes jealous. Yeah, she got kids, but she still a boss. Every day hustling, no days off. Ain't taking no shit, she know what she want. She know what she like, she know what she don't. If you on your shit, baby, girl, this your song. Girl, this your song. Girl, this your song.
I can't lie, I can tell you're jaded, baby. Wipe your eyes. Don't let him see that he got the best of you. Girl, I'll take the rest of you. Look, I got a question for you. Is it worth it? Real love, do you think you deserve it? Cut him off, going